Yo, I am Mace the Great and I'm an artist from Cardiff. Reading certain books and seeing certain people's stories, it inspires you to want to do more and lets you know certain things are possible for you.
Hi, my name's Jasmine Joyce.
My name's Alicia Butchers.
And I'm a Welsh international rugby player.
And I'm a Welsh international rugby player. I think reading's really important for me. I find myself being able to really focus when I'm at work because I'm kind of having that time to switch off, and that's really important for me and my mental health.
I'm Mel and I'm a presenter and writer. Reading can help with your creativity and your confidence because it opens your mind to experiences that aren't just your own day-to-day ones.
My name is Ellis and I'm a TikTok content creator. I remember I went into a bookstore once and I seen that there was a book called Fat and Queer and I just thought, that's me all over. I remember just reading that book and just feeling more at home with myself, more confident in myself.
My name is Charlotte. I'm a blogger. It's given me a brilliant imagination. I can listen to my child, listen to their wild imaginative stories and relate to them. Warning, this book could cause floating, shimmering and walking through walls. Can you walk through the wall yet? No. No.
So like Stormzy's book, for example, like there was a lot of things I could relate to in there, the black community can relate to in there. It just inspired me.
So when you can pick up a book and feel seen, feel like there are characters who have the same experience as you, that just heightens the enjoyment.
My son, he was struggling through lockdown with a bit of anxiety and he found comfort in books. And now all of a sudden he's reading 3 books a week.
Potentially in the long run, I'd maybe like to write about autobiography myself. There's loads of experiences that I've gone through that can potentially help people growing up, and not just within rugby, but outer life as well.
What have you been reading?
So I've been reading The 10 Riddles. I love anything that has like a magical plot, outside of our reality in a way.
And empowering like young readers to really feel like they've escaped into a magical world.
Definitely.
I'd be so here for that.
Same here. I think it's good to have books to represent the Welsh language because it's always changing, it's always evolving.
It's such a vibrant part of who we are, and I think that needs to be seen more and read about more.
If there's a book about Wales and I've lived in Wales my whole life and I'm like, it should be embraced, especially within books.